Good morning class. Today I want to describe real number for class 10th. I want to describe exercise 1.2 question number 2. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. What is real number? The combination of rational number and irrational number both together is called real number. Clear? Real number is clear. Here I want to describe verification of identity. LCM multiply HCF equal to product of two numbers. It is identity. Clear? Firstly, you find LCM of given number and then find HCF of given number and then put the value of LCM HCF in identity. LCM multiply HCF equal to product of two number. If left side equal to right side, then your solution is verified. It is very easy. Verification of LCM multiply HCF equal to product of two number is very easy. Clear? No confusion. See the board and concentrate your mind. Real number exercise 1.2 question 2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify the LCM multiply HCF equal to product of two numbers. It is question. First question 26 and 91. Second question 510 and 92. Third question 336 and 54. Question is clear. No confusion. Firstly, you find the LCM of 26 and 91 and then find its HCF. Clear? And put its value in identity. LCM multiply HCF equal to product of two numbers. If right side and left side are equal, then your solution is verified. Clear? No confusion. Second, firstly you factorize 510 and 92 and find LCM of 510 and 92 and then find HCF of 510 and 92 and then put the value of LCM and HCF in identity. LCM multiply HCF equal to product of two numbers. If right side equal to left side, then your solution is verified. Clear? No confusion. Third question. Firstly, you factorize 336 and 54 and you find LCM of 336 and 54 and then find HCF of 336 and 54 and then put the value of LCM and HCF in identity. Identity LCM multiply HCF equal to product of two numbers. If right side and left side are equal, then your solution is verified. In this way you can verify your solution. Clear? No confusion. Question is clear. See the board and concentrate your mind. 26 divided by 2. Firstly you factorize 26. 26 divided by 2, you find 13. 13 divided by 13, you find 1. It is factorization of 26. Now you factorize 91. 91 divided by 7, you find 13. 13 divided by 13, you find 1. It is factorization of 91. Clear? Factorization of 26 and 91 is clear. No confusion. Very good. See the board. 26 equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 13. 91 equal to 1 multiply 7 multiply 13. Here 1 is common in both and 13 is common in both. So your HCF is 1 multiply 13 equal to 13. 13 is your HCF. Now LCM equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 7 multiply 13. Because maximum time 1 is 1 time. Maximum time 2 1 time, so you write 2. Maximum time 7, 1 time, you write 7 1 time. Maximum time 13, 1 time, you write 13. Multiply all numbers, it become 182. It means your LCM is 182. Clear? LCM and SCF is clear. Now put its value in identity. LCM multiply SCF equal to product of two numbers. 182 multiply 13 equal to 26 multiply 91. Here LCM is 182, SCF is 13. First number is 26 and second number is 92. It become 2366 and right side become 2366. It means left side equal to right side. It means your solution verified. Clear? You verify first question very easily. Clear? See the board. Second question. You factorize 510. 510 divided by 2, you find 255. 255 divided by 3, you find 85. 85 divided by 5, you find 17. 17 divided by 17, you find 1. It is factorization of 510. Clear? Now you factorize 92. 92 divided by 2, you find 46. 46 divided by 2, you find 23. 23 divided by 23, you find 1. It is factorization of 92. Clear? No confusion? Here, see the board. 510 equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 17. 92 equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 23. Here 1 is common in both and 2 is common in both. So your SCF is 1 multiply 2 equal to 2. Clear? SCF is clear. Now find LCM. LCM equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 17 multiply 23. It become 23,460. Clear? Here 1 maximum time 1 in both line. So you write 1 multiply maximum time 2 in second line 2 time. You write 2 multiply 2. Multiply. Here 3 is 1 time in first line, so you write 3. Multiply 5 is 1 time in first line, you write 5. Multiply 17 in first line, you write 17. 23 in second line, you write 23. Clear? Multiply all, you find 23,460 is your LCM. Now put the value of LCM and SCF in identity. LCM multiply SCF equal to product of two numbers. Clear? Here 23,460 multiply 2 equal to 510 multiply 90. 23,460 is LCM and 2 is SCF. 510 is first number and 92 is second number. The multiplication of 23,460 and 2 become 46,920. Multiplication of 510 and 92 become 46,920. It means left side equal to right side. It means your solution is verified. Clear? No confusion? Very good. See the third question. Factorize 336. You factorize 336 by 2, you find 168. You divide 162 by 2, you find 84. You divide 84 by 2, you find 42. You divide 42 by 2, find 21. 21 divided by 3, find 7. 7 divided by 7, you find 1. It is factorization of 336. Clear? No confusion? Very good. Next, factorize 54. You divide 54 by 2. You find 27. 27 divided by 3, you find 9. 9 divided by 3 you find 3, 3 divided by 3 you find 1. It is factorization of 54. Clear? No confusion? Next step. 36 equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. 54 equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Here 1 is common in both, 2 is common in both, and 3 is common in both. So your SCF is 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 equal to 6. 6 is your SCF. Now find LCM. LCM equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. It becomes 3024. Here 1 is maximum time in both line, same one time. You write 1. 2 is maximum time in first line, 4 time. You write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 3 is in second line, 3 time. You write 7, 1 time in first line. You write. Your LCM is 3024. Clear? Put the value LCM and SCF in identity. LCM multiply SCF equal to product of two numbers. LCM is 3024. SCF 6. First number 336, second number 54. Clear? You multiply 3024 and 6, you find 18,144. You multiply 336 and 54, you find 18,144. Left side equal to right side. It means your solution is verified. Clear? No confusion. In this way you can find any solution of any question. Clear? No confusion? Very good. Okay.